Hey everybody, this is a 2019 Tacoma. Just wanted to show what it looks like and some of the stuff I've done to it so far. Had it for a few months. This is a four-wheel drive off-road model. I put this on it, soft top. It's made by a company called Softopper, which is a camper shell, but it's soft canvas material, so you can retract it and fold it down or take it off entirely in just a few minutes, so that's really nice. I put a power tailgate lock in there, so the tailgate locks when you lock the doors. The tailgate has a slow open feature, which is really nice, so it doesn't just slam open. You can just drop it and it slowly opens. It came with this bed liner from the factory, which is nice. Some tie down spots, a little storage compartment here, a power outlet. That's pretty much what that looks like. Came with mud flaps. I don't really like the exhaust. I don't really like chrome, so I'll probably put something different on there. Haven't messed with that. Comes with the tow package, standard, and then connectors for different types of trailers, the 4-pin and then the bigger round one. Plastic bumper, so I'll probably change that out. The front bumper was plastic too, but I switched that out. Just comes with a black plastic bumper up here, and so I changed that out myself and put this in. It has a winch inside there as well, so that's really nice, and it looks cool. And then underneath I put some skid plates on, aluminum skid plates, one for the engine and then also for the lower control arms there, just to protect from smaller rocks kicking up when I'm driving on dirt roads and whatnot. I don't really do a lot of rock climbing or rock crawling. It's a recovery point I put on. I took the factory one off and put this on. It's a little bit better. Recovery point. I painted the grill black. It was all chromed out, so I just painted that black myself. You can't paint this because there's a sensor behind that for the radar for the collision avoidance and the brakes and whatnot. Came with these black plastic fender flares from the factory. Those are a nice little touch. And then I put these steps on as well. My niece said that it's a little high stepping up there, so I put these on, and also protect from door dings when people swing their doors open. Pretty awesome. I'm loving it. We're having a lot of fun with it. There's the inside. Put some seat covers on just to protect from the dogs climbing around and whatnot mostly. This is a little net to try to keep the dogs in the back seat from jumping up here, which only kind of works. Some all-weather mats, trailer brake controller, so I tow this when we go camping, so that connects to the brakes on the trailer and controls how sensitive they are. back seat looks like. And then back here I just have some stuff like air hose. I installed an air compressor under the hood, and then the control for the winch, first aid kit, toilet paper. If you're out in the woods, that comes in handy sometimes. And then air compressor under the hood. I can show you that. The hood was pretty heavy, so I installed these lifts that make it really easy to open the hood. These right here, made by Redline. So those are pretty sweet. The hood was really heavy, but now with those, it just makes it real easy to open. It just opens itself. And then right over here is my ARB air compressor, in case you need to air up the tires or whatnot, or air up anything, even inflatables. You just have your compressor under the hood and then can plug in this right here. So that's pretty much it. And then like some storage pouches mounted here. Put some accessories, little safe. Little safe under there. So that's kind of nice. Now when you get inside, the hood's open, so it doesn't like that. But you can use these this cross pad here to scroll through different tabs on there, and then you can also do so you can do left and right here, and then also do up and down. Shows a pitch and roll. Tire pressure, take a minute to come up. So I'm still learning all that stuff, lane departure alert and whatnot. I like driving with the compass on, that's kind of fun. And then over here, the usual display like the newer cars have. Four-wheel drive controls, 4 high, 4 low, and then more of your four-wheel drive controls up here. Crawl control and a multi-terrain select, so you can select if you're in sand or gravel, mud, snow, etc. And then that's the speed for the crawl control if you're using that. Traction control and the locker for the rear locker. That's pretty much it. If there's anything else you want to see, so just let me know. And then here's where the switch ended up for the air compressor. Little cubby for the fob.